Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have performed some operations on strings. In this video, we are going to concentrate on indexing and slicing. Strings are defined as ordered collection of characters. We can access their component by position. So in Python, character in a string are fetched by indexing. That is providing the numeric offset of the desired component in square brackets after the string. So this will return one character string at the specific position. Python offset starts at 0 and end at 1 less than the length of the string. So when we create a string, for example, Python, so these string are the characters in the string can be located by their positions. So these positions basically start from 0 till the total length minus 1. So total length minus 1. So for example, if we want to see what is on the 0th position, it will return P. We can also use negative offset in Python. This will return the element from the end. Technically, a negative offset is added to the length of the string to derive a positive offset. So for example, we can also give a minus 1. This will return the last element, that is n. So let's see on the interpreter. So here a is equal to Python. So if you want to check what is on A0, it will return P. And same, if you want to see a minus 1, it will return n. So in case if you give an offset that is greater than the length of the string, it will return an index error. So slicing is the generalized for the indexing that return an entire section. It allows us to extract an entire section or substring in a single step. Slices can be used to extract column of data, chop off leading and trailing text, and more. So in the same example, if you want to get first three character of this string, then you can give 0, 0, 1, 2. So you have to give 3. So let's take the same example, and if you want to get A and you want to get the first 3 elements, you have to give 0 to 3 and it will return the first 3 elements. So the basic of slicing are straightforward. When we index a sequence of object such as a string on a pair of offset separated by a colon. So this is a pair of offset from 0 to 3 and it's separated by a colon. Python returns a new object containing the contiguous section identified by the offset pair. So it will return the new object. So this what returned from the slicing, it's a new object. The left offset is taken to be the lower bound. So here the left offset is taken to be the lower bound and it's inclusive. So when we give the left option, it take that one and start counting from there. Then and the right is the upper bound and this one is the upper bound and this one is non-inclusive. It means it counts from 0, 1, 2, but it doesn't count this limit. So that's why when we give an offset of 0 to 3, it only take till 2. So if we summarize So indexing, we can see indexing as can be written as I, where S is the string and I is the offset. So the first item is at offset 0. Second, if we give a negative index, it means it has to count in backward direction. So here in this case, if we give a -2, it will return O. So for example, here if we give S 0, it will return first character. If we return S -2, what it will do? It will give like S length of S -2. Now if you see slicing, so slicing can be Si:'j. So this is used to extract a substring from a string. So first thing, upper bound is non-exclusive. Means it don't count the j. Slice boundaries default to 0 and the sequence of length is omitted. What it means, if you give S colon like this, so default it takes S 0 to length of S. And this one is also used as a top level copy of S. Extended slicing. So extended slicing is like S, I, J and K. So here I is the lower bound, J is the upper bound, and K is the step or stride. So for example, when we give this expression, it means extract all the item in S from offset I, extract all the item in S from offset I through j-1 by k. So here you can also use a negative stride to collect items from the opposite order. So if you want to change, by default it's count from left to right. If you want to count from right to left, you have to give the k value as negative. So we can see this in an example here. Let's take s equal to hello. So if you want to extract the ELL from s, so we can give like s1 colon 4. ELL. If we want to extract all the elements with a step of 2, it will return HLO. So here what's doing in this case, here it's taking the first item, then it's skip the second, then it's taking the third item, then it's skip this one, and it's taking this. So here same, if you want to reverse the string, the simple way to use the slicing. In case if here you give -1, it will simply reverse the string. So that's all for this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, thanks for watching and stay tuned.